The spinal cord. The spinal cord is a vital part of the nervous system, extending from the medulla oblongata, at the base of the brain down through the vertebral column. It functions as a major conduit for signals between the brain and the rest of the body. Structure of the spinal cord. The spinal cord is protected by the vertebral column, which encases it in a bony structure. Within the spinal cord, there is a central canal that contains cerebrospinal fluid, which cushions and nourishes the tissue. The gray matter, shaped like an 8, consists of the cell bodies of neurons and is located in the center. Surrounding the gray matter is the white matter, composed of nerve fibers that carry signals to and from the brain. Functions of the spinal cord. The spinal cord is responsible for controlling reflex actions, which are quick and involuntary responses to stimuli. For example, if you accidentally touch a hot surface, you immediately withdraw your hand without thinking. This instant reaction is known as reflex action and occurs without the direct involvement of the brain. Transmission of messages to the brain. The peripheral nervous system (PNS) transmits sensory and motor messages to and from the spinal cord. The PNS connects various parts of the body, enabling the transmission of signals related to sensory inputs and motor commands. These messages are relayed to the brain, which processes them and sends back instructions through the spinal cord to execute various bodily functions. Did you know? The spinal cord acts as the main pathway for communication between the brain and the body. It is about 45 centimeters long in adults and is approximately as thick as a pencil. Differences between voluntary actions and reflex actions. Feature: voluntary action, reflex action. Nature of action: conscious and deliberate, automatic and involuntary. Involvement of brain: yes, no. Speed of response: slower, faster. Examples: walking, talking, sneezing, blinking. Chapter summary. The nervous system controls and coordinates bodily functions. Neurons are the fundamental building blocks of this system. Neurons consist of a cell body, dendrites for receiving signals and an axon for transmitting signals. Nerves are bundles of neuron fibers classified as sensory, motor or mixed. The brain, the body's control center, is divided into the cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla oblongata. The spinal cord is crucial for relaying signals and controlling reflexes. Reflex actions are automatic, while voluntary actions require conscious thought. The nervous system comprises the central brain and spinal cord and peripheral systems. The cerebrum is responsible for thought, memory and sensory processing. The cerebellum coordinates movement and balance.